Welcome to Honest News. Here you see Kenneth Copeland being asked the question, do you really think that people are demons? Because he said that he doesn't fly commercial because he doesn't want to be in a tube full of demons. And this is his response. Now, I've slowed down the frames so you can really get an idea of what this individual is all about, what's in him. Jesus said, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. But let me ask you a question before I play this. Would you want to be somebody that goes to church where this monster ministers?
No, I do not. And don't you ever say I did. We wrestle not with flesh and blood, but principalities and powers.
Can you
Even the devil knows the scripture. Don't forget that.